tube. So when I got that OBD sensor, I was getting temperatures right around 260 degrees before the thermostat would open up. And so I have a second gauge on the hose going to the thermostat. And as you can see, my temperature, the thermostat's open now, it's decreasing because the thermostat's closing. And this temperature is back up 194. But it has not gotten over 200 degrees since I replaced my thermostat last night. So what is interesting is that between these two sensors, between that one and that one, which is going to the thermostat, you can tell when the thermostat opens. So if the thermostat isn't working correctly, and I was getting temperature warning lights all the time on my way into work. But you never know what the temperature was that the engine was seeing because you didn't have the OBD2 engine temperature reading the engine temperature. So this little thing has determined that I had a bad thermostat because once the temperature gets really high in your engine, it burns out the wax element in the thermostat and it does not operate correctly. So if you have a Gen 3 and you have an issue with overheating, definitely replace your thermostat first and get an OBD2 sensor to see what your engine temperature is reading, because mine was getting up to 260 degrees and that's just nuts. So, but the engine's fine. I mean, I obviously still have a head gasket issue, but the engine oil is clean, it's not dirty, it's not contaminated, and I keep on adding coolant to the reservoir because obviously I'm burning or consuming coolant because of the Gen 3 head gasket issue. So, which I believe is related to their coolant design system because I've got two gauges now doing my engine coolant there and there, and so it's easy to tell what's going on. So, but anyways, just wanted to let you know the update of the what's going on with the old Gen 3 Prius and with the head gasket issue to nurse it along until you replace it with a Gen 4 engine. So this is looking from the thermostat into the pump housing. See if I can see anything on the housing. So we'll see.